Alright kids, gonna do a oil check today on the lawnmower. I'm gonna teach you how to. And yeah. So first of all, you might want to keep her on a flat surface. Makes it a lot easier. I think my spot's real good so far. But what I gotta do is just open up the hood. This engine oil right here. You just take that off. Pull her out, see how much she got. So right now, it's a little dirty. So I take the old snow, stick her in the snow a couple times. Alright, clean her off. And then you just stick her back in there. Like that. And twist her all the way on. And then take it back off. And check how much oil's in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's way over full, so it should be good. And make sure you check your gas sometimes too. I got a little bit of oil on there, but she's a little full. Say she's full. Shut the up wind. And yeah, I have to go rip around on her on part 2. Stay tuned.